Hi guys, and welcome to the third video in this video diary series where I share with you my journey to building my first SaaS product. Yesterday I was talking about the tools I decided to use, and when I stopped the video I realized that I just went deep into why I decided to use Django Python for the back, and I didn't talk about why I decided to use Next.js and why I decided to use React Native. So I thought I'd briefly talk about this today before I jump into what I want to talk about today. So I am using Next.js to build the website. And the reason I'm using Next.js, I would say principally is because of the experience I have so far with Next.js. I've built a lot of tools for Next.js, and I have become comfortable using this tool, and it has a lot of benefits. So Next.js is a full stack framework. It means it has the server side, it has the client side, and just the fact that you could do some things on the client side makes the application faster. You could also add the amount of security to you could add more security to your application by doing certain things just on the server side. So this is one plus for me. And like I said, the ease, and also before using Next.js I was using React, and Next.js is a framework built on the React library. I mean, so I've gotten a lot of comfort with this, and I have been able to, due to the experience which I've had so far, I have been able to master how certain tricks in Next.js. And also this is a framework with a huge community. I think I can group the React community with the Next.js community because of a lot of similarities. And so because you have this huge community, you once you get into, you meet a roadblock, you can easily get somebody who can help you, like Stack Overflow, or just typing on Google and getting a blog post. That is a possibility of Next.js, so that's definitely a plus for me. And yeah, so I could have make a video go into details on why Next.js I chose Next.js, but I just want to briefly talk about this and move on to the next. The next one is React Native. So this is a cross-platform framework, a cross-platform library which you can use to build mobile applications. Cross-platform meaning this is applications that you can run both on iOS devices and Android devices. So there are other libraries, the other frameworks, the other tools which you can use to build mobile application. I know I've heard of Kotlin, I've heard of Swift, I've heard of Flutter, and I have decided to go with React Native because, to be honest, that's what I know for now. That is the only mobile framework I have learned. Down the line I might learn the other ones, I might try to pick up the other ones, but for now I am good with React Native. And like I keep on saying, like the goal with this journey and getting to the MVP is using the easiest tools I can to get to that MVP. So, and dealing with what I already know, building this application with what I already know. So like I mentioned previously, sometimes like when I wanted to start, I felt like, okay, I need to do the best, I need to make the most secure. But I have made peace with the fact that this might not be the case. Like I made peace with the fact that the MVP might not be the best, and I might have to make a lot of tweaks along the way, which is very normal. So somebody is starting a bike. So if you get some noise, that's what's happening. Yeah, and there are kids playing around. But I'm going to try to talk as loud as possible so you guys can hear me. So that is it for the frameworks and the tools which I've decided to use for this project. And I wanted to talk about some of the challenges I'm facing so far. So I will be lying if I say it has been a smooth ride. I know this is just day 3, but it has not been a smooth ride so far. Sometimes I have thought like, did I make a mistake choosing certain products? Should I choose other products? Should I choose other tools? Sometimes you watch certain videos about people having their startups and they tell you they use this library and how it was so easy to build. I remember I watched this video and this guy was talking about using Laravel, and I was like, okay, the way you're talking about it, I feel like going to learn Laravel now to start working with it. So, but I have decided to stick to what I'm doing so far. So far it's working for me. So, And another thing is, I have had the challenge of, I have been tempted to go down the road of tutorial hell, watching one tutorial to the next, one tutorial to the next, one tutorial to the next, and I felt like I wasn't making a lot of progress doing this. So what I decided to do was work on what I'm doing. Once I meet any roadblock, I can check out tutorials. But yesterday what happened was I went from tutorial to tutorial trying to figure out something, and I couldn't find a solution, and I decided to go to ChatGPT and type bam bam bam, and I got the solution. Copied the solution, pasted it, tweaked it according to, like, made it to be suited to what I wanted to do, and ran it, and it was the solution. So that said, I've decided to embrace ChatGPT in this journey. I've decided to make ChatGPT my friend. I've decided to do a lot of Googling, a lot of ChatGPT searches, and a lot of ChatGPT prompts and stuff. So yeah, because like yesterday I figure like the amount of time I use going from tutorial to tutorial to tutorial, I should have been able to figure that out faster if I just used ChatGPT from the start. Anyway, so that's it for me. That has been the journey so far. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, these videos I intend not to make them too long. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this inspires you to go on whatever journey you are going on, and we can go on the journey together, do this thing together, keep each other accountable. Thank you guys for watching once more. Thumbs up, hit the notification button, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.